Hey everyone, I got the oil change on this. It's a little bit after 11, about 2 minutes after 11. I'll go back home, get something to eat, because my eye doctor appointment isn't until 1:30 this afternoon. And I'll leave about 12:45, so that gives me a little bit over an hour at home. These tires are brand new. These are not that old. They only got... That's wrong. I don't know what the hell they're saying. They're saying that the tires are close to useful life. These tires have less than... This inspection thing is wrong. It's saying the left front tire has less tread than the other three tires. This is wrong because it's saying that the brakes need to be replaced as well, when I just had the brakes done on this. It's because that idiot that has been looking it over, he didn't even know how to open the hood. It took 3 of them how to figure out how to open the hood, and I know that that's wrong, because these brakes were just replaced. These tires were just put on a little bit over... They were put on back in February, these tires. These tires only have 4,000 miles. There's no way that one tire is going bad. Especially when I looked at it. The older guy that works there that's been doing oil changes, and he's only been there like a few months, I don't think he knows what he's doing. Because every time this comes in, and they always say there's something wrong with this. Because now it's saying that the battery's testing out fine. Especially when Terry Hendricks told me that the battery's going to need to be replaced. So it's like, okay, whatever. Because I know that there's nothing wrong with these tires, and I know there's nothing wrong with these brakes. Because he didn't even look over the brakes. It's like, yeah, okay, whatever. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.